Suprabhatam. Sit in Vajrasana, Sukhasana or any other comfortable posture as per your comfort. Spine straight, neck straight, eyes closed, face smiling. Slowly bring your awareness to the eyebrow center. Visualize a beautiful golden flame giving light and energy to the whole body, from top of the head till tip of the toe. Your whole body is illuminating with light and energy. Now slowly bring your awareness to the abdominal breathing. As you breathe in, visualize your abdomen bulges out, and as you breathe out, your abdomen sinks in. Breathe in, abdomen bulges out. Breathe out, abdomen sinks in. Inhale, exhale. Now, as you inhale, visualize you are inhaling all the positive energy from the surrounding, and as you exhale, visualize you are releasing all the tensions and worries from the body and the mind. With that feeling and visualization, take a deep inhalation. Breathe in all the positive energy. Breathe out all the tensions and worries. Inhale all the positive energy. Exhale all the tensions and worries. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the positive vibration in and around you. Now with this feeling of positive vibration around us, we will chant Omkara followed by opening prayer. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Breathe in. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hold your right wrist with your left palm. Breathe in. Slowly bend backward, expand your lungs. Breathe out, bend forward from the root of your back, forehead on the ground. Salute Mother Earth, parents, Guru and Almighty. Breathe in, slowly come up. Release your hands. Suprabhatam. Let's start today's practice with Utthana Prishthasana. Okay, stand on your knees, take support of your palm, slowly bend your elbows, take support of both the elbows. Take support of both the elbows. Complete awareness of the posture for the maximum benefit. Breathe in, raise your body up, try to see the ceiling. Breathe out. Feel the gentle stretch in your shoulders, your lungs. Breathe in. See up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold the posture. Try to see the ceiling. Feel the gentle stretch in the lower back. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Slowly bend forward. Slowly bend down. Try to see the forehead on the ground. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Release. Come to Sthiti. Take support of your palm. Take support of your knees. Stand on your knees. Now we will do cat pose. Breathe in. Try to see the ceiling. Breathe out. Try to see the navel. Pull your back up, up, up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Very important. We keep your spine free, lower back free. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Try to see your navel. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Release. Now we will do tiger stretch. Right hand and the left leg. It will help us to balance the body. And second, all the tensions is generally at the lower back. So it will also help us to release the tension from the lower back. So do it with complete dedication and surrender. Breathe in. Raise the right hand and the left leg. Breathe out. Try to touch the elbow and the knee. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold the posture. Stretch your hands up, up, up as much as possible. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Try to touch the elbow and the knee. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Release. Now left leg and the right leg. Breathe in. Raise the left hand and the right leg up, up, up. Feel the balance. Breathe out. Elbow and the knee. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold the posture. Feel the balance. Feel the stretch in the lower back, thigh, calf muscles, arms. Hold. 1. Pull it up. 2. And 3. Breathe out. Touch the elbow and the knee. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Release. Relax in Shashankasana. Forehead on the ground, hands above the head. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. After sufficient relaxation, slowly lie down on your abdomen. Now we are practicing exercise in prone posture. It will help us to improve the breathing and expansion of lungs. So double benefit. Raise our hands above the head, biceps touching the ears, body in the straight line. So we'll start with Bhujangasana. Helps us to increase the confidence, expand our lungs. We are able to take this decision without any difficulty and confusion. Breathe in and out. Keep your both the hands near the shoulders. Now as we inhale, we'll raise our body up. Breathe in, raise your body up, elbows straight, try to see the ceiling. Feel the gentle stretch in the lower back, shoulders, front part of the body, your neck region. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Last round. Breathe in, hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Now we'll do second variation. Tiryak Bhujangasana. Spread your legs little bit. Breathe in, raise your body up. Breathe out, twist towards the right side. Try to see the left foot from the right side. Feel the gentle twist in the left side of your lower back. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. Try to see the right foot from the left side. Feel the gentle stretch on the right side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Try to see the left foot from the right side. Feel the gentle stretch. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Slowly drop your body. Breathe in and out. Release your both the hands. Relax in Makarasana. Legs apart. Chin on the cross arms. Eyes closed. Face smiling. Complete awareness of your breath. We are in prone posture. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. After sufficient relaxation, join both the legs, hands above the head. Take the towel or dupatta for the extra stretch. Take the towel. Okay. Hold the towel. Now as we inhale, we'll raise our hand up. Breathe in, raise your hand up as much as possible. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold the posture. Pull your hands up as much as possible. Feel the gentle stretch in your shoulders, in your arms, in your lungs. Hold. 1, 2, up, up, up. 3, 4, and 5. Breathe out. Release the prop. Release your hands. Relax in Makarasana. Chin on the cross arms. Eyes closed. Face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Complete awareness of the breath. Prana is in breath. Prana is the life force. Hence we should be complete aware of the breath. After sufficient relaxation, again hands above the head, biceps touching the ears. Body in the straight line, come to Sthiti. Now we will do Shalbhasana. Make a fist of your palm. Breathe in and out. Keep your right fist below the right thigh. Breathe in and out. Keep your left fist below the left thigh. Now as we inhale, we'll raise the right leg up. Breathe in, raise the right leg up as much as possible. Feel the gentle stretch in the lower abdomen, thigh and calf muscles. Very good for people, those who have diabetes or any abdominal issues, that will get cured. Breathe out. Breathe in. Left. Breathe out. Breathe in, right. Breathe out. Breathe in, left. Breathe out. Breathe in, right. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Breathe in, left. Hold. 1. Pull your legs up as much as possible. Up, up, up. 2 and 3. Breathe out. Now both the legs. Purna Shalbhasana. With both the legs, it is Purna Shalbhasana. Breathe in. Raise both the legs up as much as possible. Don't lift your chin, only the legs. Up, up, up. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Release the right hand. Breathe in and out. Release the left hand. Release. Relax in Makarasana. Legs apart, chin on the cross arms. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. We are doing exercise in prone posture, that is lying down on the abdomen. Very good for breathing, very good for expansion of lungs, improves intake of oxygen. After sufficient relaxation, again join both the legs, come to Sthiti, hands above the head, biceps touching the ears, body in the straight line. Breathe in and out, bend both the legs from the knee level. We will do Dhanurasana. Breathe in and out, hold both the ankle with both the palms. Now as we inhale, we'll raise our body up. Pull our legs towards the body. Breathe in, raise the head up, pull the legs towards the body. Pull it up, up, up. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Slowly release your head. Breathe in and out. Release your leg. Release your hand. Relax in Makarasana. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Deep inhalation. Feel the abdominal breathing when you are breathing deep in prone posture. Feel the abdomen. Breathe out. After sufficient relaxation, again join your both the legs, hands above the head, biceps touching the ears. Breathe in and out. Keep your both the hands near the shoulders. Breathe in, bend the left knee 90 degrees. Breathe out, raise the right leg. Keep the right knee on the left foot. Hold the posture. Feel the gentle stretch on the right side of your body.
activates pancreas, kidneys, liver. Very beautiful posture. At the same time, if you observe, you're also getting a gentle stretch in the lower back. It is also stimulating your lower back, spine in the opposite direction, because the whole day generally we bend forward. So this helps the spine to turn backward. Very beautiful exercise for the lower back and the lower spine. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out, release the right leg. Breathe in and out, release the left leg. Now complementary with the right leg. Breathe in, bend your right leg 90 degrees. Breathe out, raise the left leg. Keep the left knee on the right foot. Hold the posture. Complete awareness. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Feel the gentle stretch in the lower back, left side of the body. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in, release the left leg. Breathe out, release the right leg. Breathe in and out, release both the hands. Relax in Makarasana. Chin on the cross arms, legs apart, eyes closed, face smiling. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Enjoy yourself, appreciate yourself for doing yoga today. After sufficient relaxation, slowly take support of your right arm, right palm on the right ears. Come to Vishnu Asana, Vishnu pose. Now, as we inhale, we'll raise the left leg, be on the right side. Breathe in, raise the left leg up as much as possible. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Very good posture. Hold. Very good posture for the lower part of the body. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Relax in Vishnu pose. Feel the gentle stretch. After sufficient relaxation, now take support of the palm and the elbow both. Hold your ankle with your left palm. Breathe in, stretch your body completely. See back, pull your legs back. Feel the stretch. Breathe out. Try to touch your nose and the elbow. Nose and the knee. Breathe in, complete expansion. Feel the expansion and the gentle stretch. Breathe out. Breathe in, hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Join your nose and the knee. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in and out. Release your left leg. Relax in Vishnu pose. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the expansion of the lungs. Feel the stretch in your thigh and calf muscles. Very beautiful practice.
After sufficient relaxation, slowly come on the left side. Take support of the left palm on the left ear, right hand on the right thigh. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Hold the posture, feel the gentle stretch in the lower part of the body. Very beautiful asana. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Relax. Release your right leg. Feel the effect in the lower part of the body. After sufficient relaxation, now take the support of the left elbow and the left palm. Hold the right foot. Breathe in, stretch your legs back, head back. Feel the complete stretch, expansion of lungs. Breathe out. Try to touch the nose and your knee. Breathe in, stretch as much as possible. Breathe out. Breathe in, hold the posture. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Release. Breathe in and out. Release the right leg. Release the left hand. Come to Vishnu pose. Take support of the left palm. Relax. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. After sufficient relaxation, slowly come to Dandasana. Now today we will do some different asanas. Join your both the legs. We'll start with Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Very beautiful posture. Very good for your lower abdomen, side part of the body, and a gentle twist to your spine. Breathe in and out. Keep your left foot below the right buttocks. Breathe in and out. Keep your right foot next to the left thigh. Now, as we inhale, we'll raise the left hand up. Breathe in, raise the left hand up. Breathe out. Curl it on the right knee and try to touch the right foot. See back. Feel the complete twist of the lower back, your shoulders, your neck region, your abdominal region. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe in, raise the left hand above the head. Breathe down. Do it very slowly. Breathe in and out. Release the right leg. Breathe in and out. Release the left leg. Relax in Dandasana. Eyes closed, face smiling. After sufficient relaxation, now complementary, come to Sthiti, come to Dandasana. If you have any doubt, please ask. Breathe in and out. Keep your right foot below the left buttock. Breathe in and out. Keep your left foot next to right thigh. Left foot next to right thigh. Okay. Then left hand. Now we will do with right hand. Breathe in, raise your right hand above the head. Pull it up as much as possible. Breathe out, slowly curl it on the left knee. Try to touch the left foot. See back. Feel the gentle twist in your lower back, your abdominal region, your neck region, your shoulders. Complete twist. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in. Raise the right hand above the head. Pull it up, up, up. Breathe out. Slowly release the right hand. Do it very slowly. Breathe in and out. Release the left leg. Breathe in and out. Release the right leg. Relax. In Dandasana. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. After sufficient relaxation, now again join your both the legs. Hands by the side of your body, come to Dandasana. Now we will do today Bhunamanasana. Again a gentle twist to the whole body. Breathe in and out. Take your left palm, keep it on the right side. And slowly try to touch the forehead on the ground. Bhunamanasana. Hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Breathe in. Raise your body up. Breathe out. Come to center. Now on the left side. Breathe in. Take your right hand. Keep it on the left side, on the floor. Breathe out. Try to touch the forehead to the ground. Hold the posture. Bhunamanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Breathe in. Raise your body up. Breathe out. Come to Sthiti. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Eyes closed, face smiling. Complete awareness of the posture. Enjoy yourself. Appreciate yourself for doing yoga today. After sufficient relaxation, now we will do Janu Shirsasana. Take your prop. Keep it on your side. Breathe. Come to Sthiti, Dandasana. Legs together. Breathe in and out. Keep your left foot next to the right thigh. Hold your prop. Breathe in. Raise your both the hands up as much as possible. Pull it up, up, up. Hold. 1, 2. Feel the expansion of lungs. 3. Now breathe out. Slowly bend forward. Lock the prop in your foot and bend forward. Try to touch the forehead to the knee. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in. Raise both the hands up as much as possible. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Release the left leg. Now complementary with the right leg. Breathe in and out. Keep your right foot next to the left thigh. Hold your prop. Breathe in. Raise your both the hands up, up, up as much as possible. Feel the expansion of lungs. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Slowly bend forward. Interlock the prop in your foot. Try to touch the forehead to the knee. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in. Raise your both the hands above the head. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Slowly release your both the hands. Breathe in and out. Release the right leg. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. After sufficient relaxation, join your both the legs together. Breathe in. Raise your both the hands above the head. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Bend forward. We are doing Paschimottanasana. Interlock the prop in your foot. Try to touch the forehead to the knee. Swing yourself down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in. Raise both the hands above the head. Hold. Feel the expansion of lungs. Improved intake of oxygen. 1, 2. Keep your spine straight. And 3. Breathe out. Slowly drop your both the hands. Release your legs. Take support of both the palms. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Eyes closed. Face smiling. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. After sufficient relaxation, now slowly lie down on your back. Legs together. Hold the prop. Hands above the head. Hold your prop. Hands above the head. Biceps touching the ears. Body in the straight line. Breathe in. Raise the right leg. Try to touch the prop to your knee. Breathe out. Breathe in. Left. Breathe out. Breathe in. Right. Breathe out. Breathe in. Left. Breathe out. Last round. Breathe in. Right. Hold the posture. Interlock the prop behind the knee. Push it up. Push it towards the body so that the leg is straight. Feel the gentle stretch. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Release the prop. Breathe out. Now left leg. Breathe in. Interlock your left knee from the prop. Pull it towards the body.
Feel the gentle stretch. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Relax in Shavasana. Release your hands, legs apart, eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. After sufficient relaxation, again join both the legs. Now today we will do Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is a very beautiful posture. Moves the flow of the blood towards the lower part of towards the head region. So it's very beautiful. There are many benefits when your blood flows towards the brain. So do it with complete dedication and surrender. Breathe in, raise your both the legs up 90 degrees. Now, slowly pull your body up, take support of both the palms, keep it below the back and hold. Pull your body up with the support of both the palms. Hold the posture, Sarvangasana. The blood flows towards the brain. Very beautiful posture. There are multiple benefits. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Breathe in and out. Slowly release your palms. Slowly drop your body. Breathe in and out. Slowly release your both the legs. Relax in Shavasana. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Sarvangasana also induces stillness, calmness. It is also used by yogis as a meditative posture. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Now we will do, after sufficient relaxation, we will do now Halasana. Again. Breathe in. Slowly raise your both the legs. Breathe 90 degrees. Breathe out. Slow. Take support of both the palms. Pull your both the legs back. This is Ardha Halasana. Okay, those who don't have any problem or any lower back pain or any other issues, they can do Purna Halasana, that is touching the toe to the floor. Take further, push it back, try to touch the floor. Hold 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in. Slowly raise your both the legs. Breathe out. Come to 90 degrees. Breathe in and out. Release your both the legs. Relax in Shavasana. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Very beautiful posture. Halasana. Very good for your abdominal region and the back. After sufficient relaxation, slowly raise the right hand above the head.
Breathe in. Raise the right hand above the head. Breathe out. Slowly turn on the right side. Feel the lateral stretch on the right side of your body. Breathe in and out. Take support of left palm and the left leg. Slowly come up. Sitting Vajrasana, Sukhasana, or any other comfortable posture. Now we will do pranayama practices. Very powerful to connect the body and mind. So after doing yoga practices, either we can do at the beginning of the practice or at the end, so that we can connect the body and the mind. Okay. So don't miss this. Hardly it will take some 5 to 10 minutes. Hands in Jnana Mudra, Chin Mudra. We will start with Kapalbhati Pranayama. Very beautiful. Kapalbhati means shining of the skull. Removes all the impurities from our mind, jealousy, hatredness, and all the unnecessary things from the mind. We will take a deep inhalation and continuous exhalation from the abdominal region. We will do 3 rounds, 40 to 50 sets each. Breathe in. Continuous exhalation. If you exhaust your breath, again take a deep inhalation and continue the practice. Last round. Breathe in. After sufficient relaxation, slowly release. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the calmness in and around you, especially your mind. After sufficient relaxation, now we will do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Helps us to balance the mind, helps us to take the balanced decision, have a balanced thought throughout the day, balances our Ida and Pingla Nadi, balances the left and the right brain. Adopt Nasika Mudra, bend our index finger and the middle finger, close the right nostril, and today to increase the effect we will hold for 3 counts. 3 counts inhalation, 3 counts hold, and 3 counts exhalation. So this is called 1:1:1. Okay, let's start. Adopt Nasika Mudra, bend our index finger and the middle finger, close the right nostril, breathe in, mentally count 1, 2, 3, 3 counts, close, hold the breath, 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out from the right nostril, 3 counts slowly. Breathe in from the right, 3 counts. Close, hold for 3 counts. Exhale for 3 counts. Continue the practice like this in the ratio of 1:1:1. This is very powerful practice. Then slowly we'll go to higher level in other ratios. Okay, in other classes. Now in the ratio of 1:1:1. When you hold the breath, it improves the intake of oxygen, improves your holding capacity. Do it for 5 rounds. It also improves your awareness when you do with counts. And yoga is all about awareness. Last round. After sufficient practice, slowly release your hand. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Feel the balance in your thoughts, in your mind. Feel the calmness in and around you. After sufficient relaxation, now we will do Brahmini Pranayama with Khichdi Mudra to increase the effect. So take your tongue out, twist it back, try to touch in the upper part of the palate, and we will chant Makara, or do a humming sound from the throat region. After closing both the ears from the index finger, take your tongue out, touching the upper part of the palate. So take a deep inhalation, breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last round. Breathe in. Slowly release your hands. Hands in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Feel the calmness in and around you. After sufficient relaxation, visualize and feel the effect of all the practices we did today. Feel the benefit of all the practices. Feel the calmness in and around you. Feel the positive vibration in and around you. With this beautiful feeling of calmness and positive energy around us, we will chant Omkara followed by closing prayer. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Breathe in. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhave. Lokak samaskat sukhino bhavantu. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Mrityor Mokshi Amamrita. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hold your right wrist with your left palm. Breathe in, slowly bend backward. Breathe out, bend from the root of your back. Forehead on the ground. Salute Mother Earth, parents, Guru and Almighty. Appreciate yourself for doing yoga today. Breathe in, slowly come up. Release your hand, do palming, generate the heat. Give a gentle massage to your eyes, eyebrows, forehead, chin, cheek, ears. Again do palming, generate the heat. Give a gentle massage to your neck, shoulders, lungs, abdomen, back, hands, thigh and calf muscles. Dhanyawada. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day. Keep smiling. Thank you everyone. Thank you Nasima.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you Darshan Bhaiya. Thank you
Hello.
Jaideep. Thank you everyone.
ठीक है
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.